Master the Art of Informal English. Phrasal Verbs Unplugged. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the world of English phrasal verbs. Today, we're going to focus on the use of phrasal verbs in informal settings. As we know, English isn't just about the words, but how we use them in context, and today's lesson will help you sound more like a native speaker in casual conversations. Let's get started. First things first, let's refresh our memory on what phrasal verbs are. A phrasal verb is a verb that is combined with an adverb or a preposition. The combination creates a meaning different from the original verb. Informal English is filled with phrasal verbs, making them an essential part of everyday conversation. Let's now dive into some commonly used phrasal verbs in informal settings. For instance, hang out, to spend time relaxing or enjoying oneself. Catch up, to talk to someone you have not seen for some time and find out what they have been doing. Look up to admire or respect someone. Remember, the key to mastering phrasal verbs is understanding their usage in context. Now that we've understood some common phrasal verbs, it's time to put them into practice. Here are a few exercises for you. 1. Fill in the blanks. This exercise will help you understand the context in which these phrasal verbs are used. For example, 2. I always, blank, to my older sister because she is a great role model. 3. Make your own sentences. Using the phrasal verbs we've learned, create your own sentences. This exercise will help you grasp how to use these phrasal verbs in real-life scenarios. 4. Phrasal verb conversion. Convert formal sentences into informal ones using phrasal verbs. For example, 5. Formal. She admires her teacher. 6. Informal. She, blank, her teacher. Well, that's a wrap for today's lesson on using phrasal verbs in informal settings. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these phrasal verbs in your daily conversations, the more natural they will feel. Stay tuned for our next video where we will explore phrasal verbs in formal settings. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.